Hi, sewing friends and other friends. My name is Alice Murray and this is my channel, Murr-made Designs. And what I do on this channel is pattern reviews and talk about sewing, talk about beginner sewing. This week we are talking about wearing red. And what I do is load a video every morning at 7 o'clock. And I try to make them short, and I show another garment every day. I am attempting to make 365 garments. But this week we're talking, it's all about red and what to wear red with, what to pair it with. And that was inspired by a YouTube video called How to Wear Red by Coyne. And this week we have looked at red and white, red and gray, red and purple, red and orange, red and blue, red and beige. And today we are talking about red and black. And after we're done talking about that, at the end of my videos, I always like to end with a grateful thread. And this week we've been talking about Valentines, which is today, and love in the time of COVID. And I have been challenging you to some different activities to show the people around you that you love and admire them, even though we aren't having anything like we've normally had. So stick around for that. But first, I'll show you what I made and then we'll talk about it. This is a very super duper comfy pullover stretch knit dress. And it has a V-neck and a draped collar. It is red and gray and black. And what Coyne says about black is that black is a very intense, it's not even a color, it's a very intense void, and red is a very intense color, and together they kind of, the black anchors the red and softens it, and so it's not so standy outy. And yeah, so have another look. I added this black band because I felt that this dress was quite short. It was, by the time I hemmed it, it would have been several inches above my knee. And I'm not comfortable wearing dresses that short. And this black material is actually just, this is like two-way material. I'm not even sure if the red is the outside or the inside. I have a bit left over and I want to make a hoodie with it because I think it would make a great, having some of the red showing with the black too. So anyways, I added this hemband to make it longer. I'd love to hear what you think of that. If you think it is too long, not necessary. And the pattern I used, this knit is from Fabricland, from their discount area. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful knit. It's a very stable knit. And the pattern I used was Quick Sew 3658. And yeah, it's got this very interesting V drape neckline. And this is a 2012 pattern, but I saw someone on a YouTube channel from a different downloadable pattern make a dress with this sort of neckline, and I thought it was very flattering. So I ordered this one up online to make it, and I think it is a very interesting neckline. Just show you the line drawings. Very plain in the back. There's not even a seam in the back. But what's very neat about making this is the front piece. It doesn't look like anything like you can't even tell what it is when you lay it out, because it has like a facing that goes from the shoulders all the way down the front, and I think it goes to your waist, and you sew it up on this front seam, kind of up to the circle, and then you kind of fold it, origami it, and voila, you have a V-neck that is like it's all faced. It's very, very cool pattern, very, very quick to make. I can't actually wait to make it in a top as well. And what it says is fitted pullover dress and top, have a V-neck and a drape collar. Front extends, forming collar and facing. And you can see on the pattern that like it's very short on the model too. And like I'm only 5'1" and a little bit, so yeah, you may want to extend the skirt of this some. Joey's here helping me. Yeah, so I'd love to hear what you think of the size of the band I put on it. So yes, it has been such a fun week doing all of these how to wear red and pairing the red with different colors. I'd love to hear from you which pairing you liked the best. Personally, I think I like the red and the purple. I thought that one was pretty cool. So I'd love to hear from you. What was your favorite pairing? And then we're going to talk about our Love in the Time of COVID challenge. We have talked about how to make the people around you feel loved and appreciated. Write it, say it, speak gratitude to them. Think of some fun to do, some sort of scavenger hunt or something. A gift of time, a gift of service. And today, I challenge you to give them a gift of food. Nothing says lovin' like something from the oven. That, yes, a nice meal, some cookies. They can, your significant other, certainly, but, you know, if you got grandkids or a neighbor or a friend, maybe we can't go visit them right now, but maybe you could drop something off. And while you're making it, think about the person you're making it for, and that will grow feelings of gratitude in your heart, and giving them the gift from you will certainly make them feel loved and appreciated. Today is Valentine's Day. I am cooking my husband his favorite supper, steak and a baked potato and a little bit of Caesar salad, just to pretend there's a vegetable somewhere near it. And I know he will really enjoy that. So I hope you've enjoyed our Love in the Time of COVID challenge. I hope you've enjoyed how to wear red, and I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. See you again tomorrow, 7 a.m. sharp.